Hit the power button and nothing happens? If your Ninja Swirl won't turn on at all, no lights, no sounds, don't panic. Here's how to get it powered up again in under a minute. Step 1. Check the power connection. Make sure the cord is firmly plugged into a working outlet. Try another appliance in the same outlet to confirm it has power. Step 2. Inspect the lid and bowl alignment. The Ninja Swirl won't power on unless the pint container, outer bowl, and lid are assembled and locked in correctly. Remove and reassemble everything carefully. Lid must click fully into place. Step 3. Press the power button slowly and firmly. If you tap it too lightly or too fast, it might not register. Hold it for 1 second and wait for the display to light up. Step 4. Try a full reset. Unplug the unit for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Sometimes this clears a safety interlock or internal glitch. Step 5. Check for visible damage or heat. If the plug or unit feels warm or you smell burning, stop and contact Ninja support immediately. Still no power? You may have a blown fuse or faulty internal connection. Support link is in the description if you need repair help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast, no-fluff appliance guides. Drop your next issue in the comments. We might cover it next. Thanks for watching, and happy swirling!